Web filtering is a crucial aspect of securing an organization's network. It helps control and monitor the content that users can access, and it protects the network from malicious websites, including emails with malicious links. Web filtering also limits distractions and ensures compliance with legal requirements and organizational policies. We're going to review the following web filtered methods: agent-based, when you actually have something installed on a system and running as an agent. Something's going to be more centralized that everyone on the network may actually go through. URL scanning and content filtering, making sure that what the website says is there really is. And then reputationally based, making sure that how the website's being purported by other organizations is something that you're ingesting and using. And then finally, block rules. Agent-based is like a security guard, the agent, you install on each computer. This guard checks every website a user tries to visit and then decides if it's safe or not based on the rules you've created. These rules can be tailored to specific users, roles, or device types within an organization. With centralized web filtering, instead of having a security guard on each and every computer, imagine a main security office, a centralized location at the entrance of a building. Every person or website request has to pass through this office first before gaining any access to the building. Centralized web filtering sits at the gateway of an organization's network, controlling all web traffic going in and out for network-level control. It includes centralized administration of website access. All web requests are directed through the proxy, which applies uniform filters across the network. Now let's talk about URL scanning and categorization. Before letting anyone inside the building, the security guard that you have checks the ID, or the URL, and the contents of their bag, which is going to be the content scanning, to see if the ID looks suspicious or if there's something not allowed in the bag. If there is, entry is denied. This method analyzes the content and context of the actual web pages. It assigns websites to categories like social media, news, auditing, or different content. It analyzes the URL structure for known patterns associated with harmful content. In the end, it evaluates the actual content on the page, looking for keywords, images, and other things. Reputationally based filtering is like a VIP list at a club. Websites have reputations, similar to people's reputations. If a website has a bad reputation, maybe it has harmful content or is known to spread viruses, then it's not allowed access. Assessing the reputation of websites based on various factors helps in avoiding websites that have been associated with malicious activities or other risks. Websites are given scores based on factors like hosting history, SSL certificates, known associations with malware, and etc. Sites with low reputational scores may be blocked or flagged for additional review. We've talked about filtering methods. Let's talk about what rules and policies are being implemented by these filters. This is where block rules and allow lists come in. Block rules are specific no-entry rules. Imagine a list that says people wearing red hats are not allowed. Similarly, block rules might specify certain types of websites or web behaviors that are always denied access no matter what. These block access to specific websites, categories, or content types. They're used to enforce compliance with legal requirements, including protecting users from malicious or inappropriate content. If block lists are the no-entry rules, allow lists are websites that are explicitly permitted for users to access. But instead of having to specify thousands of websites, administrators can permit trusted categories such as government, healthcare, or educational websites. Rules defined by administrators are used to decide what is allowed or blocked. Web filtering in cybersecurity creates a controlled environment for web access within an organization. Using a combination of all of these approaches, you can ensure your employees access only those websites that are approved while supporting compliance and data security standards. It's all about ensuring that harmful or inappropriate content doesn't reach the user.